Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Catherine and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions review and demo of the new Milk Makeup KUSH Mascara. Don't demonetize me, YouTube. Oh wait, you already did. Anyways, Milk Makeup announced or launched this product on 4/20, of course, and the internet is losing its mind because there is cannabis oil inside this mascara. I actually got sent this mascara from Influencer, so thank you Milk Makeup and Influencer. It came with this cute little box. So I'm going to read this little card. Welcome to the Milk fam. You are one of the first to try Milk Makeup's KUSH Mascara. Spread the word. One hit for high volume KUSH Mascara. Naturally lit, conditioning CBD rich cannabis oil fuses heart-shaped fibers to lashes for thickness without the fallout. The formula also fills the hollow fibers for a double dose of volume. High volume. Hollow heart-shaped fibers lock onto lashes in each direction, adding width and length for long-lasting volume and curl. Puff Puff Brush. Tapered tree-shaped brush with crisscross bristles coats and lifts every single lash from root to tip for a defined clump-free effect. Layer for added intensity. So they're really going with the whole weed theme with this description on here. I feel like we're at such a weird time with the legalization of marijuana because there's some states where it's fully legal recreationally and it's sort of becoming this normal thing. Like there's not really as much of a stigma against it as there was like 2, 3, 5 years ago even. But then it's still very illegal in other places and there are still close to 1 million people, I believe, getting arrested every year for marijuana related charges, and there are millions of people in prison for marijuana related charges. So like this is cute and everything, but just throwing that one out there. So this is the little packaging that it comes in. It's silver and it's really cute. I have actually never tried anything from Milk Makeup, nor have I tried a fiber-based mascara, I believe. So this is the actual mascara. It's a really big metal tube. I saw on J.Kiss's channel that this tube is actually made out of recycled Lamborghini metal. I don't know any reason for that other than to say you have a little piece of Lamborghini metal, but this is probably as close as I am going to get to ever owning a Lamborghini. So the tube is big. You get 0.34 ounces of mascara for $24. So just a comparison, the only other high-end mascara that I own is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It really is going to take a lot for me to shell out money for a high-end mascara, but that one is 0.27 ounces. So this one's a little bit bigger for the same price, I believe. Yeah, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is $23. So you are getting a little bit more product in here, which is nice. I'm not saying that that's the only high-end mascara, that's just the only one that I personally own, so I'm using that as a reference. I also know that it's really popular. Alright, so I'm looking at the actual Milk Makeup website now, and it has all the same information that there is on the card, but there's also a little description as to why they actually did decide to put cannabis in this. So I'm going to read that as well. Why cannabis? Ever since the inception of Milk Makeup, we wanted to create a product that provides the amazing properties of cannabis. When we started talking about coming out with a vegan mascara, we knew we couldn't use beeswax, a common binding component in mascara formula. That's where cannabis oil comes in. It gives the formula a creamy texture that allows for smoother application on lashes and an easier tug-free removal, as well as an additional conditioning benefit. KUSH Mascara is the vegan way to get major volume and healthier looking lashes in one hit. Side note, a lot of people go vegan for like moral reasons to like help out animals and everything, but beeswax and honey are actually good things to buy if you want to support bees, because bees are dying at an alarming rate, if you didn't know, and buying organic honey and beeswax is actually one of the things that can support the population. So before I put this on, Just gonna zoom you guys in so you can see my lashes. I have all my other makeup done today. I just didn't do any eyeliner because I don't want that to detract from the actual mascara. I want you guys to really be able to see that. So I will be totally honest, I do have pretty good eyelashes. They're pretty thick and they are pretty long. The one thing that they don't really do that well is hold a curl. I find a lot of mascaras keep my eyelashes from holding a curl very well. So I am going to curl my eyelashes. It doesn't smell like weed. Okay, so this is the brush. It's a very, very thick brush with a lot of bristles. Okay, so this is one coat of mascara on my curled eyelashes. I am gonna do a second coat because I always layer my mascara up. I'm gonna sort of wiggle it as I go. Okay, and I'm gonna put this on my bottom lashes as well. Alright, so this is my eye with the mascara versus my eye without the mascara. And I'm gonna do the other eye. Alright, so this is with the mascara on both eyes. Right off the bat, I'm gonna say that I would not really call this an intense volume mascara. I definitely get more volume from my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara or my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. However, that being said, I do like how this looks. The way this applied and the way this looks now reminds me a lot of my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, which I really, really love this mascara. However, once I use it up, I'm not going to be repurchasing it because I recently did decide to only purchase cruelty-free makeup from now on, and unfortunately Maybelline is not cruelty-free. I just definitely think that my lashes look sort of more wispy. I'm not going to say they look natural because they're damn near touching my eyebrows, but they definitely aren't insanely voluminous. This would definitely be one that I would reach for when going for a more flirty or semi-natural look and less of an intense look. So I definitely like how this looks. I just don't support the claims that Milk made about it on the website. I think the one thing that I really wish this had was a sort of curved applicator. I like when the brush thingy is curved around, shaped like a crescent sort of, and it just really, really hugs your lashes. I think that just takes them up an extra notch. So I'm not gonna end the video just yet. One issue that I really tend to have with mascaras is especially my bottom mascara tends to transfer into my under eye really easily. So I want to give this a mini wear test. I'm not even sure if mascara wear tests are a thing, but I'm gonna check back in 4 hours and see how this is looking in my under eye area, and then give my more final thoughts and say goodbye. So it's not gonna be an 8-hour wear test, but if it's not transferred by 4 hours, it's not gonna transfer at 8 hours. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I've had this mascara on for about 4 hours. So as you can see, I did get a little bit of under eye transfer, but looking at my mirror, it looks like I only got under eye transfer under this eye and not this eye. So I don't really know what is up with that, but I didn't get any transfer from my upper lashes onto my eyelid. So I probably just would use a different mascara on my bottom lashes and then use this mascara on my top lashes, which that's typically what I do. I tend to use a different mascara on my bottom lashes just because they need a more waterproof formula and they don't really need the same kind of volume and length as my top lashes do. I feel like this held its curl decently well. I didn't have my lashes super curled in the first place. My lashes definitely still have a little bit of lift to them. I did notice this looks gorgeous from above. So I'm just gonna give you guys like the camera angle of the mascara from above because I feel like my lashes look so pretty from the top right now. So this is probably like a really weird angle, but like they just look so nice and fanned out in my opinion. And I feel like that's all that there really is to say about it. I'm definitely going to keep using this. I really like the look that it's giving my lashes. I feel like it's a great cruelty-free alternative to the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara that I really like. So that is awesome. I've been wondering when I would be able to find a cruelty-free dupe for that. I'm not just gonna straight up be like, yes, go buy this, or yes, don't buy this, because this isn't like a super cheap item. It's $24, which I know that might be like chump change to some people, but to some people that's a lot of money to drop, especially on a mascara. So I don't want to say that you absolutely have to buy this product because it's makeup. You don't absolutely have to buy it, but hopefully you found my review informative enough and the visuals helpful so that you can make your own decision as to if you want to buy this mascara or not. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you plan on picking this up or if you have picked this up, and let me know your thoughts on the whole marijuana in makeup thing, because that's sort of a first from a more mainstream company. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. I have a review of the Makeup Revolution foundation drops coming this Saturday, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It lets me know what type of content you guys really like to see from me. And I'm gonna go eat some pasta now, so I will see you guys later. Bye.